Hi everyone, today I want to talk about an image prompt, as we already talked about a parameter and a text prompt. So an image prompt allows us to make any image as an inspiration for creating our new images. First of all, before using any images, make sure these images doesn't belong to somebody. You can either use your own images or use royalty-free websites like pexels.com. You have two options of using images. If you want to use your own picture, you can easily upload your picture into a MidJourney, just dragging and dropping it to the chat and press enter. And now to generate a new image, you need to copy link. Make sure you're copying not an image, but a link. And type /imagine and then add an image prompt, which is our link to the prompt. After it, you need to type what you want to do with this image. So for example, I have a car here, like let's add mountain landscape here and car on mountain landscape. By default, MidJourney will take 25% of your picture and recreate it into a new image. And here is our result. If we want to use any pictures from our royalty-free websites, we need to go to pexels.com, for example, find a picture we like. So let's, for example, choose this one and then open it in a new tab. Make sure you're opening an image, but not a link in a new tab. So here is open an image in a new tab. And here we have an image link. Now we can use it in MidJourney. We can again type /imagine and add it to the prompt and add a cartoon style to it. And here is our interesting result. What we can do here as well, we can combine two pictures together. To do that, we need to find two pictures we want to combine. So let's go to the pexels.com. Let's first choose this picture. And I want to use this one as well. And here now we can copy a link of an image, go to MidJourney and type /imagine, add one picture as link, and after it, we can add another picture as link. And MidJourney will combine them together. And here is our result. Let's upscale one of the images and see it closer. Here it is. We can do the same with our own images. To do that, we need to upload our two images into MidJourney. So let's choose a couple of them. Choose this one and send it. And let's choose an image of a girl as well. And add it here. Okay, make sure your picture is up to 10 megabytes. So let's choose another one. And let's combine it together. So we can now copy link of a first image, type /imagine, add here a link of a first image, and then copy link of a second image and add it here as well. And let's see what happens. And here is our result. What else can this feature help us with? MidJourney is not always doing really well with creating realistic faces, and Imagine prompt can help us with that as well. So if we want to create some realistic image with realistic person's face, we can upload an image here as a reference and add a text prompt to change surrounding. So let's do it. Let's look for a picture of a person in pexels.com. So let's choose this guy, for example. copy a link, add here /imagine, and add a link here. And let's now add a description here. We can add here parameters as well. So let's create a portrait and add resolution 9:16. And here is our result. So experiment with Imagine prompts and ask me your questions if you have it. See you in the next video.